Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Sagittarius, let's see how you're doing now, how your person is feeling, and what action can we expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings. Sagittarius will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. All right, Sagis, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Sagis, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Ooh, lots of decisions getting made here. Okay, Sagis, I'm setting down two sets of cards today. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual cards, your action cards, etc. For me, this is going to be person A, this will be person B. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? So, action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have communication. Wow, lots of communication coming your way, Sagittarius. Or maybe somebody wants communication. Let's see what's going on. From what I feel, Sagittarius, let me just take a look at the cards. Okay. So... Okay, Sagis, it feels somebody has made a choice, somebody has made a decision, a very strong decision. Two cards, saying the same thing for person A. Choice being made, decision being made. The other person somewhere feels that this entire connection has backfired on them. Maybe somebody snuck away or left or did something where person B is feeling this entire thing backfired. I don't know what's happening here, Sagittarius. I'm going to start this reading with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we clarify the rest of the cards. So Sagittarius and their person spirit, what happened here? If both of these people could say something to each other, what would that be? Saggy and their person. Sagittarius and their person spirit. 2, 3, let's take one more. Sagittarius and that person. Thank you. Let's take a few more Sagittarius from another deck. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. Sagittarius, you can reach me there. Sagittarius and that person. 1, 2, 3, let's take one more. Okay. Good to go, Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I feared you were more obsessed with me rather than in love. It felt suffocating sometimes. I've never loved them. It was just about the sex. I love you. I intuitively know that we will unite in divine timing. When I thought about how bad I hurt you, I literally cried. I bury you with lies. I'm scared to tell you the truth. I'm very sorry that I caused you so much pain. Secretly doing things behind your back. I did see that secretive energy here. You made me realize I had flaws. I'm trying to do better now. All right, Sagis, if this is resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this read, and then we'll do the clarifications. So, my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Sagittarius, please. Stress management. I don't know who's going through the stress, Sagittarius, but please take care. Do some yoga, go for a walk, Uh, Something has really backfired in this connection. Let's see what happened. I'm going to start with the energy of person A, Sagittarius. Let's see what they're going through, then we'll go on to the other side. So person A, you have the Lovers in reverse with the Two of Swords in reverse. So what is this decision you've made? Maybe somebody wanted to revive this connection, but there was a fight regarding it. There was an argument, fight, some toxic behavior happened here. Could be anger, could be anything. The devil is here with the Nine of Cups in reverse, with the Knight of Swords. That this could mean something which got a bit toxic, which whatever decision was made here didn't feel very good. Two of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Two of Swords in reverse. I think, yes, somebody did want a second chance here, maybe sent a message to say that, but it made them very angry because the other person maybe didn't reciprocate, made them feel left out in the cold. What happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person A to be feeling this angry and upset now? Something came out in the open, the Moon in reverse. Something was revealed which made one person very, very, very angry and upset. I have the Queen of Wands clarifying the Queen of Wands in reverse. Maybe it could be about, sometimes the Queen of Wands is another woman, another sexual encounter, or it could just simply mean that whatever information was revealed, it could have led to a very nasty fight here, and which made one person very upset and angry. So Queen of Wands in reverse, Spirit. What's this Queen of Wands in reverse? Queen of Wands in reverse. I think somebody was trying to manifest an equal give and take, or they were still wanting to fight one more time, but that person could have damaged or ruined something by holding back or not giving to the connection. How does person A now feel about the connection, Spirit? Person A feels that person is not putting in any work. That's really stressing them out big time. They can't sleep well at night. Yes, see, Eight of Pentacles clarified by the Eight of Pentacles. Again, this is a card of somebody not putting in work, putting in effort. And I think person A is the one who's stressing out big time even now. Still not wanting this chapter to shut down completely, not wanting to have this regret and sorrow for having lost maybe a soulmate. They feel maybe just leave a little window open, maybe there's a second chance later, but at the moment feeling that this is just not working out. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, I think person A is quite devastated at the fact that that offer that they expected is not made. There's been like a tower moment. Maybe they were expecting to get unstuck, maybe get a proposal or something committed, but the tower is that offer hasn't come, or it has been revealed that the other person has made a decision against it. No wonder there's so much stress. What action person A will take, I'll open later, Sagittarius. Let's go on to the other side, see what's happening here. Five of Swords in reverse, person B. Five of Swords in reverse. Person B, I think, had this little fear that if they do commit, what if it backfires? What if it doesn't work out? They felt that this would be too much of a burden to carry. Maybe they didn't want to get stuck into something that they would maybe feel they didn't want later, or they just got out of maybe some conflict, or I don't know, this is like somebody who finds it too stressful or too overwhelming to stay stay stuck. I think this person could have escaped this connection. Yeah, put up boundaries, escaped, snuck away, run away, not wanting to commit, not wanting to get stuck, not wanting to fight, just kind of run away almost, made a decision. Yes, they made a decision to follow maybe their own star, or just kind of heal themselves, or just move away. And this could have been quite deceptive to person A. What happened, Spirit, to person B for them to feel this way? Ace of Swords. There was some clear communication here that they were not keen to reconcile, or maybe, yes, this person could have been very controlling, very stubborn when it came to offering a commitment. They didn't want this long term, they didn't want to maybe offer marriage, and very, very controlling person who didn't feel emperor enough, I guess, to offer something long term. And they may have had this communication regarding maybe some lies also, that they were maybe with third parties, or they were not interested in. I think person B in the recent past figured that they wanted to be free. They wanted to fly solo. They didn't have the strength to do the right thing, maybe very immature energy. What's this Fool card, Spirit? Yes, they ended up breaking person B's heart. They ended up breaking person B's heart big time. They made a choice here, and whatever choice was made here, it brought a barrier or some bad feelings that were created in this very beautiful connection. So how does person B now feel about the connection, Spirit? Person B feels that they've made a choice, and they are healing themselves at the moment, that they want to be free. They know that they've depleted that person. They know that person A will no longer give them any love or offer them anything. They're hoping that in time maybe things will become better, things will change for the better, they will be forgiven. But at the moment they're still behaving very cold, making very unwise decisions, not offering this brand new beginning, turning their back, and being emotionally quite manipulative. I have a King of Cups and a Queen of Cups in reverse in there, how they feel about the connection now. So let's see what action you guys will take. I'll take a separate deck for this one, Sagittarius, and if this reading is resonating with you, I would really request you to give a little thumbs up, just to let me know that it's resonating with you, and it also helps the videos to circulate. I'll be very grateful for that. And newbies, if you're going to subscribe, do not forget to press the notification bell. So action for person A, Knight of Swords. Why is that an action from person A? The Hermit. One more, Tower. And the Fool. This is, I think person A has been waiting for a very long time, maybe waiting for this offer to be made of this brand new beginning. And right now I think they could be very angry. I'll be honest with you, they could be very angry after this fight or the sudden revelation that's happened, that their person is going off for a new beginning elsewhere. I think person A was expecting that offer to come. One more, Spirit, as to action that person A will take. Action that person A will take now. Eight of Wands in reverse. There will be communication, maybe not the best kind, but there will be communication from what I feel. Spirit, can I have a card for the Tower? What's this Tower that's an action? One more. One more. I don't know, person A is still, I think they still have wishful thinking. Even though right now they're feeling this way, lot of stress, feeling everything is over. I don't know why I feel, but heart of hearts, they are still holding on very tight to a dream, holding on to a fantasy or a dream that one day my person will take action towards me and we'll be able to work things out. Person B, will you take action? Person A is still hopeful. The Hanged Man. They're taking a little time out, I think, to think about this. Hanged Man. Why is the Hanged Man here as an action spirit? They're not budging. They're not budging. They're being little stubborn. They're totally in their head because they're thinking of the burden that they'll have to carry, or it's too much for them to bear. So they are holding back. They're not moving at all. Yes, even if they are, it's going to be very slow movement. This person is not. Give me one clarification from here, Spirit. What's the action person B will take? They are happy to, I think what the communication they'll eventually end up giving person A to you is they'll be honest and open, I think. That I can't offer commitment, but I still have passion. They don't want to lose person A from it, what I see, but they're holding back from anything solid. And I think they may just be very open and direct about it as well. So just be a little mindful and don't take too much stress. Do what is right for you, Sagittarius. That's all I have for you. Till next time then, till Friday for the Love Bite. I'll see you then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.